So, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about file permissions. Okay. So now let's quickly create one file here. Okay. So we can see we got some characters here. 9 characters are there. First one is file type. Ignore that for now. So these three are for the user who owns the file. Means the owner of the file have read and write permission. These three are the permission to the group. The group where the user remains, like where the owner remains. Okay, the group has only read permission and it is for others, so others are also having just read permissions. Okay, let's say I want to give write permission to others, sorry, for the groups. Okay, I can give chmod change mod g plus write w. G means group. Okay, u means user, g means group, o for others, plus means add permission, minus means remove permissions, read write execute rwx. So f1.txt let. If we see now, the group got the permission to write in the file. Okay. Let's say I want to give executable permission to the owner. chmod plus x, sorry, u plus x, f1.txt. So now the owner got the permission to execute the file. Okay. Now the owner is root and I am logged in the as the root user. Okay. Let's say I want to like remove the read permission from all of the guys. Okay, so if we write chmod a minus x, sorry, a minus r. A means all user, groups and others. Minus means remove the permission and r means which permission, read. Okay, minus r f1.txt. If we see now, no one has the read permission right now. Okay, so if you want to do common changes like common permission add or common permission removal, then we can use like this: a minus r, a plus x, a plus r, a plus w, anything. But what if like we want to give different type of permissions to different type of users, like for user, for groups and for others. Let's say I want to give rw to user and wx to group, rwx to others, like this. We can't like execute multiple commands, right? We can do, but it will be very lengthy. Okay, so there are some rules in giving the permissions in Linux. I'll show you. Let's say I have three permissions: read, write, execute. Okay, let's consider in a binary. So x is in the 0th bit, w is in the first bit, and r is in the second bit. So if we give the user read permission, let, and we don't give the like user to for write permission 0, and we are giving the user as x, like executable permission, then what will happen? It will become 1. The value of this binary will be 5. Okay, so by default, like, so what happens if we want to give the user write permission, then we have to give 4. If we want to give the user write permission, we'll give 2. If we want to give the user executable permission, we can give 1. Okay, so total will be 7. Okay, so let's quickly see. So here the user is having, means the owner is having read, write, sorry, write and executable permission, and the group is having write permission. Okay, let's say I want to give user read and write and execute. Okay, group write and execute, sorry, read and write, and others only read. Okay, so what will the value become here? 7. Okay, 4 plus 2 plus 1. Here 4 plus 2 6, and here 4. So we can give here chmod 761 f1.txt. If we see now, the user got the permission read write execute, and the group got the permission read write, and why it is one? Okay, sorry. So I gave one here. Okay, let me quickly change this. Chmod 764 f1.txt. Okay. Now you can see 7 means the user got all the permissions. 6 means 4 plus 2 6. So the group got read and write permission. And here 4 means read, means the others got only read permission. So just like this, you like give the permissions, change the permissions of the files in Linux. So it's all about file permissions. Thanks for watching, guys.